What you want to do is to go to Google and search my FX book position calculator. And this is the link you want to click on. It's usually the first link. And right now, as you can see, I have this position calculator in front of me. So what you want to do at this point is to supply the calculator with the details of your position. So firstly, you have to select a currency pair. Let's say I'm trading Euro NZD. Account currency, I'm using a USD account. And the account size is the balance that you have on your trading account. So let's say I have $1,000 on my trading account. And the risk ratio is the percentage that you are willing to risk on one position. So let's say I'm willing to risk 2%. I'm gonna punch 2 right here. And lastly, I have to punch in the size of my stop loss in pips. So I'm gonna say 30 pips. And after that, I'm gonna press calculate. And as you can see, it gives me the result. The money I'm willing to risk is $20, which is 2% of $1,000. And the sizing of my position is 0.1 lots. And what all this means is that in order to risk 2% on my $1,000 account on Euro NZD with the 30 pip stop loss, I'll have to open this specific position with a lot size of 0.1. So if I change the percentage I'm willing to risk to 5 and say calculate, you can see even the number of lots increase.